Tonight's adventure brings us to Anniston, Alabama. Hey, have you ever been to a seafood boil, crawfish boil, or crab boil? Well, I haven't. It's my first time and I'm really excited to try this out. And you can find these places all across the country now. They're pretty popular, but if you haven't tried it, you should definitely give it a shot. This plastic sack of seafood surprises not only comes drenched in the juices of Cajun deliciousness of garlic butter, spicy cayenne, and lemon pepper, but also comes with cobs of corn, andouille sausage coins, starchy red potatoes that fall apart upon contact once your teeth break open the skin, and an entire pound of seasoned fresh shrimp. But the piece de resistance, a perfectly cooked and tender delectable lobster tail. A seafood boil, crawfish boil, barbecue, fish fry, or kickback, whatever you want to call it, it's a way for people to get together, gather over food and drinks, get your hands dirty, and have a good time. It's more about social gathering than anything, and it's fun.